So firstly, good afternoon everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
We are fine, ma'am.
That's very good. I'm also fit, fine and fantastic. So now welcome to this class and welcome to this channel. So let us start our today's class with a very beautiful masses. You know very well that why the masses are very important. You know what?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good, because if we want to learn something new, so the good things are very important for set our mind. Okay, so now I am going to provide you a masses. The masses that today's life-changing masses, and the masses that people don't fail, they give up. People don't fail, they give up. The means of this, लोग हारते नहीं हैं, वो हार मान जाते हैं. Okay, this is the means of this. Okay, I have a example of Mr. I can show you a picture of. He is a, you know that who is he? He is a founder of OYO, the Ritesh Agrawal. He in the starting time that he was not too much good and financial. He was not too much, he haven't a lot of money, but he never gave up. Okay, and he became the youngest entrepreneur in India. Okay, you can see the next picture of Mr. Ritesh Agrawal. So the means of this, the people don't fail, they give up. That is the means of this. So we should not give up. Okay, this is the means of this. So I hope guys you got this. Have you got this? That's very good. So now let's go ahead towards our next session, and next I am going to provide you some special format which is very inspiring, which is very useful, and the format is that which I am going to tell you. Mostly spoken advanced structure. Mostly spoken advanced structure. So today we're going to learn that mostly spoken advanced structure, and the structure is that the first structure I am going to provide you. The structure is I am off to, and then you have to use place. Any types of place you have to write. Okay, any types of place you have to write. I am off to, and then you have to use here place. The means of this, निकल रहा हूँ. जब हम बात करते हैं इस तरह की, मैं दिल्ली के लिए निकल रहा हूँ, मैं अपने घर के लिए निकल रहा हूँ, मैं फैजाबाद के लिए निकल रहा हूँ, मैं लखनऊ के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. Then we use this format. I'm off to. So how we can create this sentence? मैं दिल्ली के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. How to use this sentence? Exactly. Okay. I'm off to Delhi. I'm off to Delhi. What you have to use here? I am off to, and then place is Delhi. Okay, so you have to write here Delhi. Have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So now you have to write also fastly. Okay, and the next example is that which I am going to provide you. The next example is that मैं घर के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. How to say this sentence, Manshi? You have to tell this sentence that how to speak this sentence in English.
I am off to house.
Exactly. Very good. Fantastic. I am off to home. So have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So now within some seconds you have to write this. Okay. And now we will go ahead towards the next. Okay. So done?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. Everybody have done?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So now I am going to ask some sentences to all the students. Okay. To some students. So are you guys ready?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So now here is some sentence. The first sentence, मैं बाजार के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. मैं बाजार के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. So this sentence I would like to ask Mr. Amit, how to say this sentence? मैं बाजार के लिए निकल रहा हूँ.
I'm off to market.
I'm off to market. Exactly. We can for Mr. Amit. That's great. The next sentence I'm going to ask. The next sentence is that मैं फैजाबाद के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. And this sentence I would like to ask Mr. Vineet. How to speak this sentence? In a loudly you have to speak.
I am off to Faizabad.
I'm off to Faizabad. Exactly. Have a seat. That's very good. Fantastic. The next is that मैं मुंबई के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. Deepa, you have to say that how to say this sentence in English.
I'm off to Mumbai.
Exactly. I'm off to Mumbai because the place is Mumbai. I'm off to Mumbai. Okay. So have you got? That's very good. So now let's go ahead. So I have a more example for the students. So now here is example is that मैं स्कूल के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. And this sentence I would like to ask Manisha, how to speak this sentence?
I am off to school.
Exactly. I'm off to school. Very good. Nice. The next sentence is that मैं आगरा के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. How to say this sentence in English? Nisa, how to speak this sentence? मैं आगरा के लिए निकल रहा हूँ.
I'm off to Agra.
Great. Fantastic. I'm off to
Agra.
Agra. So I hope guys you have got. Okay. So now you have to create a lot of sentence to this record. Okay. So now may I go ahead? Thank you so much. So now let's move towards the next format, and the next format is that I'm dying to. I am dying to, and then you have to use here the first form of verb, and then you have to use here object. Okay. I am dying to, the first form of verb, and then you have to use here object. What is the means of this? Exactly, बेकरार हूँ. Okay, that's nice, fantastic. जब भी हम बात करते हैं इस तरह की, मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए बेकरार हूँ, मैं उससे मिलने के लिए बेकरार हूँ, मैं गाना गाने के लिए बेकरार हूँ, मैं सफल होने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. Then we speak this. Then we use this structure and we will speak like this sentence. मैं अफसर बनने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. How to speak this sentence? मैं ऑफिसर बनने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. We have to speak like this. I am. Firstly, what you have to use? I am dying to. The verb is that बनने के लिए. So be an officer. I'm trying to be an officer. That's very good. The next is that मैं उससे मिलने के लिए उतावला हूँ. ओके, आप बेकरार हैं, उतावले हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं ये स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, जब भी हम इस तरह के फॉर्मेट बोलते हैं. सो इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? Avinash, you have to tell that how to speak this sentence.
I'm dying to meet him.
हाँ, I'm dying to meet him. मैं उससे मिलने के लिए उतावला हूँ या बेकरार हूँ. Have a seat. That's very good. Fantastic. So, have you got, guys?
Yes.
That's very good. So, have you done?
Yes.
That's very good. May I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So, now let's go ahead. Okay, done?
Yes.
Great. So, now here is some example for you. So, are you ready to face the example?
Yes.
Okay. So now I am going to ask the first question, and the first example goes to Lakshmi. How to speak this sentence? मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने के लिए बेकरार हूँ.
I am trying to speak English.
Wonderful. I am trying to speak English. Have a seat. That's very good. Wonderful. The next is that मैं वहाँ जाने के लिए उतावला हूँ. कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? Yes. Anjali. Exactly. I'm dying to go there. मैं वहाँ जाने के लिए उतावला हूँ. That's very good. Fantastic. I'm dying to go there. Fantastic. Have a seat. That's good. So now the next example is that मैं खेलने के लिए उतावला हूँ. कैसे बोलेंगे? So now yes, Mayank. How to speak this sentence? मैं खेलने के लिए उतावला हूँ.
I am dying to be play.
हाँ, I am dying to play. Okay, very good, fantastic. Have a seat. Okay, क्योंकि कौन खेलने के लिए उतावला है? मैं खेलने के लिए. So I am dying to play. Verb क्या हो रहा है? खेलना. So खेलने की इंग्लिश क्या होती है? Play. Very good, fantastic. The next example is that मैं उसे देखने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. Deepa, how to speak this sentence?
I am dying to see him.
एग्जैक्टली, आई एम डाइंग टू सी हिम और हर. ओके, अगर गर्ल्स के लिए यूज करेंगे तो वहाँ पे हम हर का यूज करेंगे, एंड अगर बॉयज के लिए हम यूज करेंगे तो वहाँ पे हिम का यूज करेंगे. सो आई होप गाइस यू गॉट दिस. सो नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड. आई एम डाइंग टू सी हर. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज दैट मैं गाना गाने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. सो नाउ आरोही, you have to tell that how to speak this sentence in English. I'm dying to sing song. Very good. I'm dying to sing song. Okay. मैं गाना गाने के लिए बेकरार हूँ. So done. Have you got this? That's very good. And let's begin for all the performance. That's very good. Fantastic. That's nice. So now let's go ahead. Let's move towards the next advanced structure, and the next structure is that the next structure which I am going to provide you, it's also very important structure, and the structure is that which I am going to provide you. By the way, here is some phrases. Okay, not a structure. Here is some phrases. So the phrase is that the first phrase is that I know your ABC. The means of this. Exactly. The next is that I know. Okay. And the next is that you know. Exactly. Nobody knows. Exactly. Everybody knows. Exactly. Very good. Fantastic. The first is that मैं आपके बारे में सब जानता हूँ. ओके, सपोज दैट अगर आप किसी के बारे में सारी चीज़ें जानते हो, उसके पास्ट के बारे में कि क्या क्या हुआ था या फिर ये इंसान क्या क्या करता है, देन वी यूज दिस फ्रेज. ऐसे हम बोलते हैं ना, मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सब जानता हूँ. आई नो योर ABC. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज दैट आई नो. आई नो का मतलब होता है, एंड नॉर्मली यू यूज दिस फ्रेज दैट आई नो. मैं जानता हूँ. एग्जैक्टली, मैं जानता हूँ. आई नो एवरीथिंग. ओके, डोंट टेल मी, मुझे मत बताओ. आई नो ऑलरेडी, मैं पहले से ही जानता हूँ. ओके, तो इस तरह से आप ढेर सारे सेंटेंस को यूज करके इसे स्पीक कर सकते हैं. सो हैव यू गॉट दिस? वेरी गुड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज दैट आप जानते हैं. यू नो, आप जानते हैं. ओके, सपोज दैट अगर आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हो और अगर कोई उसके बारे में पहले से ही जानता है, ओके, एंड वो अपनी बात रख देता है उसी टॉपिक पे, तो आप बोलते हैं ना, आप जानते हैं. ओके, यू नो, आप जानते हैं. ओके, सो एंड द नेक्स्ट इज दैट नोबडी नोज. नोबडी नोज, कोई नहीं जानता. उसके बारे में कोई नहीं जानता. नोबडी नोज अबाउट हिम. एग्जैक्टली, nobody knows about him. So इस तरह से हम इस फ्रेज को यूज कर सकते हैं. सो आई होप गाइस यू गॉट दिस. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज दैट everybody knows. Everybody knows. The means of this, सब जानते हैं. आपके बारे में सब जानते हैं. कैसे बोलेंगे इसे? आपके बारे में सब जानते हैं. Exactly. Everybody knows about you. So have you got this? That's very good. So I hope you also have no any kinds of confusion. So you have to also try to make this sentence, and you have to try to use this sentence in your daily routine. So now let's go ahead, guys, and towards the next. And the next is that words game. You know very well that what is the words game? It means exactly personality word, adjectives. Okay, so today the next session is that the next I'm going to provide you some words game. It means personality words. So here is some personality words. You have to write fast. Okay, so the first is that descent. It's a visual. Yes, ma'am. That's very good. Descent. Exactly. Fantastic. Exactly, you have to speak loudly. Loyal. Exactly. Fake. Exactly, very good. Sufficient. So, yeah, exactly. So, we have these types of words game. We have these types of personality words. And the first is that descent. डिसेंट का मतलब होता है सभ्य, जो इंसान बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब लॉयल हो एंड किसी भी तरह की निगेटिविटी ना हो, देन यू कैन यूज दिस सेंटेंस, यू आर अ वेरी डिसेंट पर्सन, आप बहुत ही सभ्य इंसान हैं. ओके, देन वी यूज डिसेंट. द नेक्स्ट इज दैट फैंटास्टिक, मतलब अच्छा. ओके, जब भी कोई अपना परफॉर्मेंस देता है, उसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा होता है, देन वी यूज ना दैट योर परफॉर्मेंस वाज फैंटास्टिक, मतलब आपका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था. ओके, देन वी यूज फैंटास्टिक. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज दैट लॉयल. लॉयल का मतलब होता है वफादार. ओके, वफादार. यू आर अ लॉयल पर्सन, मतलब जो इंसान अपने काम को पूरी जिम्मेदारी, पूरी ईमानदारी से निभाता है, उस इंसान को हम बोलते हैं वफादार इंसान. वो वफादार इंसान होता है. ओके, इट मीन्स लॉयल. अगर आपको कहना हुआ आप वफादार इंसान हैं, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? एग्जैक्टली, यू आर अ लॉयल पर्सन. वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. द नेक्स्ट इज दैट फेक, मतलब होता है जाली, झूठा या फिर नकली इंसान, जो जस्ट ओनली क्या करता है, दिखावा करता है कि मैं अच्छा हूँ, बट एग्जैक्ट में वो अच्छा होता नहीं है, मतलब फेक इंसान. ओके, झूठा इंसान, जाली इंसान, नकली. ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस. ओके, फेक. सफिशिएंट का मतलब होता है पर्याप्त. ओके, सफिशिएंट मतलब क्या होता है, पर्याप्त. सो हैव यू गॉट गाइस?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. So now it's enough for today and I hope you also enjoy this video. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही रहने देते हैं. हम मिलते हैं हमारी अगली वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे एक्साइटिंग से टॉपिक लेके जो आपके स्पोकन के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूजफुल होगा. So thank you so much and be happy and till then take care. Bye bye and best of luck. And now this is the time to performance.